Hi. Here is another guide on how to set up your IslandFresh portable refilling unit, using a standby tank, especially in areas where water pressure and water supply are unreliable. The standby tank, or source tank, will keep your IslandFresh portable unit running, and making purified water, at all time when its internal tank is almost empty. In this setup, we will be using the float level switch, that comes with your IslandFresh portable refilling unit. Connect the hose from the standby tank, or source tank to the inlet of the unit. Fill the tank with water, and place the float level switch inside the tank. Make sure the float level switch floats freely on the water inside. Inside the unit, locate the water level signal connector, and disconnect it from the low level switch. Connect the float level switch connector to the water level signal connector. This will provide the control board the information on the standby tank water level. And that's complete the setup in connecting your standby tank, and enjoy the taste of your IslandFresh portable refilling unit.